The Zimbabwean government has instructed the power utility, the Zimbabwe Electricity Supply Authority ZESA, to ensure uninterrupted electricity supply at selected venues during the upcoming Southern African Development Community SADC Head of State Summit in Harare next month. Ashpere mushe muri Zimbabwe vanhu voya vachiblema vachiti aiwa hakuna zvakadaro kuti government it guarantees power to SADC elites while leaving citizens in the dark. Sana bina mashoko abuda chitogwa panapa pane handa kuti bo subscribe or like button on the bell icon. Tipina vanyara vachiti according to a memorandum from Permanent Secretary for Energy and Power Development, Gloria Magombo, to ZESA Executive Chairman, Sydney Gata, the government has identified the specific events and venues that will require constant power supply during the summit. These include Harare International Conference Center HICC, the new Parliament building in Mount Hamded, and the University of Zimbabwe. Former Mount Pleasant legislator Fazia Mary has criticized the government's decision, stating that it highlights the ruling elites to focus on their own interest rather than addressing the country's power crisis. Domashoko anotogwa pana bvunzi aiwa sidi kuti mutungamiri wenyika atinoaddress kuti aiwa tinyika yeZimbabwe topesa machallenges akadai tipetsereiwo kuti tikwanise kubooster power generation ikwanise kuvhenekera nyika yose. Panapa tiri kuona vakuviga vachiti aiwa zviri nani kuti macitizens agara ari murima but vakomana veSADC summit nemahead of states vanowo magetsi. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Vinai comment section medu. Musakano subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.